Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox this Ring doorbell for dual power, which has a battery inside, but also you can hook up with your existing bell. Once you want to decide whichever you want, I am going to install as battery power. So here we have the camera here. Let's see. It's not that big, it's just almost size of my hand, and it has some instructions here. If you decide to go with the wire, you just peel this off, put your existing doorbell wire here. Doesn't matter which one goes which, I believe it just picks up by itself. So let's see. I believe we need to push this open. So this is the cover, and in order to let the battery go out, I believe we need to push this down and pull it out. There was this paper to prevent getting drain out the battery. You can just remove it and charge it from here with this USB. Let's see what we got here for the cable. Okay, this is the USB charging cable, as we can see here. And we have a screwdriver. If you want to directly install it on your wall, you would just put the screws here. There will be 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's say you have an angle and you want to use this to point the camera in some direction. Like if it was like this, it would just look towards the left. If you turn this, you can mount it and it will just direct it towards the right, which is really nice. I might need this one. For the camera, I believe that's pretty much it. It has some lights, I guess, here, or some sensor. Yeah, this will light up when somebody press here. That's the bell. I don't have the chime. I am hoping that I can use my existing one. That's what they claim, it would work with the existing chime system. But let's see in action. And we have some screws here, and for different types. If you have wood or you want to install it on a brick or concrete, I believe these are the screw sets you have. And let's say you decide to go with the existing wire system you have and it is somehow short, you can use these. You can just take this out and this will just go right into these screws here. I got this from Amazon at $160 plus tax. It was, I guess, a good deal. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, comment on the comment section. I will try to answer. Thank you.